Hey guys, Charlie here. So I just want to do a quick review on our Keurig machine here. This color is called the brush slate. So it looks really nice with the gray countertop that we have here. It is very easy to use. So all you have to do is fill the water tank here and it'll heat up pretty quickly. And so I just love the overall look of it, how easy it is. You can control the settings here, how hot you want the water, if you want ice, and then your cup size. So overall, I would highly recommend.